I keep looking to the side. I can't help it. I can't help it. So let's talk about today. I had a consultation that went well. After the consultation, I was supposed to have an appointment, but she did not come. After that, I had a little mini appointment. He just needed like a braid going down the back. Like, it was just something real simple. And then I just had my last consultation for the day. It is 3:50, so I'm going to curl my hair, set up the phone so y'all can see. I have some other things I need to do too, but I want to go ahead and get this recorded. So I feel like this may just take me an hour. I don't know. My hair is longer, but what I did was I got bigger rollers. And first things first, I colored my hair half black, half red. Now, I have not done black since I started my locks, and so I've been around the color wheel, and I'm like, what other color is there to do? Like, I've been orange, I've been red, I've been purple, I've been blue, I've been green, I've been all kind of colors. And so I'm like, I haven't been black, but I can't do full black. So I did half and half. Why I picked red is because I was already in that family over here, and I didn't want to do too much bleaching or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a bun, and then I'm going to proceed to curl. Now, one thing I have not gotten into doing is curling my hair multiple locks at a time. I mean, that's probably why it takes me 5 years to get it done. But I've been walking around with this bag. You all right? I'm starting his locks, so if you see his hair looking crazy, that's why. And I want to record that, but it's kind of tough because I do his hair like while he's in the bathtub. So I'll be doing all kind of acrobatics and stuff. It'd be a lot. So I had bought these from the hair store. They're like $1 something a pack. And then I already had these. So I'm noticing that these are a little smaller than these. So I think I'm gonna do the bigger curls at the back. Or maybe I should just go ahead and do the curls with these since I have more of these, and then if I run out, then I'll just use these at the top. So what I normally use to curl my hair, yes, Nairobi. Y'all, when I tell you I use this stuff to curl my hair, and it lasts until it's time for me to retwist my hair again. My hair just falls, like, it, you know, gravity pulls it down and it falls. What's going on with my nails? Oh no, it broke a little bit. First, I did my lashes. I didn't record them. Well, I did record them, but I recorded them for TikTok, not for YouTube. I've already retwisted my hair. Possibly sit up on the dryer or just sleep with it. Like, I normally sacrifice a night of sleep for this look, so I feel like it's worth it. So I feel like what I'm gonna do now is turn around so you guys can see, because I don't need to see. I can do this without looking in the mirror. So I want y'all to see the process. Like, I'm trying to go all out. Oh, I think I dropped $5 right there. Let me slow down squeezing this thing. So my hair is pretty long. My goal is calf length, y'all. Like, when I first started my locks, I was like, I want my hair to be calf length. I want to experience, like, you see those like loc people and they have their hair dragging basically on the floor. I don't want my hair dragging on the floor, but you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like by the heel. Like, have you ever seen that? I think that is just so amazing. That's a lot of patience. That's a lot of years. That's a lot of memories. That's a lot of, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. So I guess I'll start from the front and then I'll turn around when I get to the back. So I got my chair right there. Okay. So we back up. It is 4 o'clock officially. And I'm just gonna roll. Like I'm twisting as fast as I can and I still got this much left to go. Okay, so I might just part this down the middle and then I'm trying not to overlook any. I'm not looking in the mirror or anything, so put it back. This boy just done run off with my stool. Every time I'm doing a client, I gotta do a scavenger hunt for my stool. Y'all, I'm short, so when I'm doing a client, I don't always be able to reach the top of their head unless I go on the stool. But I'm not gonna need a stool until tomorrow, so I'm not even gonna fight him for it right now. Stop. Turn on back the lights. Get down.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Oh my gosh.
Go, go, go.
I'm sorry, y'all. I have a toddler that's doing toddler things. He can't help himself. I'm almost done, okay? And then after I get done with my hair, like I said earlier, I'm trying to head down to Kroger. I like when my rollers are snug. I don't like when they have that gap feeling, because I want the curls to be all the way to my roots. It's like I want long hair, but yeah, I'm probably like, your hair is long. What are you talking about? Longer. I want longer hair, but I don't know if I want the responsibility of it. That's really how it be. Cause when my hair gets to a certain length, I'm gonna have to like go sit in somebody's chair. I like when somebody say, "Oh my gosh, your lashes are so cute," and I be like, "I did it myself." And then, or they be like, "Oh, your hair is so cute, I did myself." You know, I'm that kind of. I like that. So that's kind of why I don't be wanting help sometimes, like, because I like the satisfaction of accomplishing certain things on my own. So, like, I retwist my hair myself. I color my hair myself. All the color that I've ever had in my locks, I've done on my own. So, I've only had my hair done like maybe once by a friend who also does locks. So, you know, I know it's kind of difficult for a stylist to sit in another stylist chair. It's almost like you still the stylist, or you're like, you know, I want it done this way, I want it done that way. Because I know if I sit in somebody's chair, they probably like, girl, just go home and do this yourself, because you worrying me right now. You know, it's hard to relax. But then doing your own stuff takes time. It can be tiring. And, you know, that's just life. I started out with 97 locks, and then I combined 2 of my locks. So now I have 95. And I don't know how many times I've done this already. Maybe 70 times. I'm probably on 70. I don't know.
Baby?
No.
Yeah.
Boy, get down. I don't want you to turn the light off. No, that's not good anymore. You want something to drink? Are you thirsty? Here. You just want to fool with something. Look at you. Look at you. You are okay. Nothing is wrong. Who is Papa? In other news, I am working on a book. Today is Thursday. I finished writing the book last Friday. So I'm gonna start on my next book because I kind of want to do one for traditional locs and one one for micro locks. The first one was for traditional locks. My micro lock girlies need some love too. All I'm saying. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, so it's my first time doing those size rollers. I normally do the gray rollers, which is like a little bit smaller, but my hair has gotten longer and I did not feel like rolling my whole length of hair on them little rollers, so I got bigger rollers this time. And I slept in them, which is so uncomfortable. I had the most uncomfortable sleep last night, but it's worth it. Oh my gosh. What y'all think? I think it's so cute. So I'm just like, make sure the front ones kind of go to the back so it's out of my face. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then it's gonna last for a long time. I was gonna snip under the dryer, but I didn't have time for that, so this is just fully air dried. I put them in yesterday. I started at 4 like I told y'all, and I took them down today at like 2, so almost 24 hours in the roller. So some of the front pieces were a little bit straight, like wavy, excuse me, so a dryer time would have been good, but I'm gonna wear my hair back like this anyway, so it doesn't matter. So